touch the ice, Julian warns her not to do it. The signal hadn't been harmonic when Grisham first found it, which means now there are 2 or more separate frequencies combined in one signal. Since Julian can't connect to the satellite, he convinces Grisham to get him an antenna and connects his computer to it so he can continue analyzing the signal. The next morning the whole building shakes for a few minutes and the mysterious object falls from its hangars. The crew goes to check on it and finally sees the object itself because there's little ice left. It looks like nothing they've ever seen before, and when Kate touches it, she is hit by an electric shock. They conclude the object is igneous rock formed by an eruption, which points toward a meteorite. The signal is exactly like aircraft retrieval data, so Julian believes it's a black box. As he rushes back to his computer, he explains his theory: this object fell on Earth by mistake and it's sending a signal to be rescued. Using all this new information combined with math, Julian finally manages to decipher part of the message. They still can't understand it and Straub mocks him for it. The group takes a snack break and Straub insists the idea of aliens it's crazy, but everyone else agrees with Julian's theory. At that moment they're called back to the maintenance bay because a crew member has found a crease on the object. The team discusses the idea of opening it and Kate worries about potential virus or other pathogenic organisms, but Straub points out the labs are sealed environments and they all agree to open it in the morning. Meanwhile, Bachman is called to the White House to discuss some terrible news regarding the mysterious object. Contacting the base is still impossible because of the weather, but the government has already allied with a Russian submarine in and sent it toward the base with nuclear warheads ready to launch. The next morning the team connects the object to one of their machines using cables and provokes an electrical reaction that neutralizes the shocks. The object is still generating current inside, but now they can touch it without getting hurt. Then they use a saw to start cutting the object open, finding a softer layer under the tough outside. Iraq takes a piece from the object and confirms it's some carbon alloy that was exposed to extreme heat. On Julian's computer, the message keeps changing and he tells Nyla the object is trying to communicate. When Nyla says it's like the video game Mind Maze, it gives him an idea on how to tackle the message, and after some trial and error he finally manages to translate it.